All right, CSS battle time for July 30th. Starting the timer. All right. Okay. So it looks like, so there's this half circle. It looks like the blue bar is actually the right side of the half circle. But the blue bar, I think, has to be another element because if I can't type style. If I just change the color of that side, I'm planning on making that with borders. If I just change that border color, I think it's going to leave a miter. But let's play with and see. I'm just going to start out real simple, make the background the green color, make the background of the HTML the green color. Then I'm going to select the body, and I'm going to say border radius 50%, 0, 0, 50%, border 25 pixels, solid, yellow color. And I margin it in just some so it looks more like a half circle. What is that from the top? 40, 100. More top, 50. More sides, 1, 20. Nope, less that side, 1 with 90. It's getting close. 50, 120. Let's do that backwards. 120, and this one's 90. Okay, 50% is not going to work because it's not square. So it's going to be, where's my height? 50, 50, 50 pixels or 100 pixels? 100 pixels. Anyway, none of this is what I actually want to see. What I want to see is if I say border right color blue, yeah, it's going to miter that. And that's not miter, that's a butt joint. So this won't work for that. Also, my border isn't wide enough. 30 pixels looks closer. Let's get it in position. 50 is right, top and bottom. 165. Oh, nope, one. Try 55. And 95. Nope, 85. Okay, that's the correct position, is it? It's actually not. That's interesting. So we can make that without the blue piece. I was planning on box shadowing. Let's try something. 185. Still that shape. Okay. That was kind of what I was planning on doing, was making that shape. And then box shadowing a couple times to get the rest of the yellow. Box shadow. Let's do everything up. It's going to be 30 pixels, 0. That color. That gets me the yellow. And then I can box shadow. No, that's not how you do that. Comma. 60 pixels. 0, yellow, and then 60 pixels, 30 pixels, not that. That's, I have to give it a color anyway. Sits on top, maybe. Is it between these two? Oh, it was working there, right? Yep, okay. So this one is on top of this one. I need, let's do one here, 60 pixels. Let's do this. Let's do 90 pixels, 30 pixels. Okay, that is what I expected to see. Let's do minus 30. And make it green. Yeah, that little edge is going to be a problem. Unless I still need to do something with the blue. I can do that. No, I couldn't. Let's try something. Whoops. Let's try border image, linear gradient, yellow, blue, 1, 90-degree. Oh, square borders and border image don't work well together. Okay, abandoning that. Okay, I'm just going to add a paragraph element. Select it. It looks like my circle. Oh, okay. Yeah, by adding this, it's messed up my shape because it's expanding. That'll solve it temporarily. We'll see if that stays. Padding is going to be, what is that, 15 and 80? Not 50. Background, red. Margin, 0. Oh, it's border. Border, 0. Now it's gone. Why is it gone? Oh, because padding was misspelled. Padded. And border radius 0. I wonder if it's better just to select body here. And then I don't have to clear all of these things. All right. No, that's exactly backwards. Copy 90. Margin minus 20, 50, 30. Let's go over 30 more, 25 more, 75, 70, 70. Okay, there's that. And then you can box shadow this. Come on. It's going to be 30, 60 pixels and 30 minus 30 pixels green. And this is, of course, the wrong color. It needs to be blue, not red. Okay, that looks like a match. It's been 11 minutes already. Okay, that's a match. I may play with this later, but that's going to be my initial submission. We can play with some different values here. Does it make sense to, well, I'm not inheriting background down, so I only have two backgrounds that don't inherit. Is that true? Well, I only have two anyway, so it doesn't make sense to make a variable out of it. Border radius, all right, 100 pixels is 25 VW, 25 VW. 30 pixels is 10 VH, I think. Looks right. 10 VH, 20 VH, 20 VH, and minus 10 VH. Any other ways to save some characters? There's one there, there's one there, there's one here, there's one here. Instead of 10 VH, can I get by with 32Q? Maybe. Nope. Oh, well, that's clearly not right. What did I change? Order. Something else. I messed something else up. There we go. Oh, box shadow doesn't let you get rid of that space. I forgot. Okay. Trying this again. 32Q. Okay, happy with that. What was that? 10 VH? 100 pixels. What's 109 Q? 7, 6. That looks pretty good. 106. One less character. That seems to be happy. Don't know about that one. Nope. Try 62. Nope, wrong way. 64. Maybe. Happy with that one. And this one I've been using 32 successfully so far. All right. That's gonna be. I could, in theory, get rid of position fixed. Means I'm chasing margin. Maybe not. Maybe margin's fine. Margin seems fine. It's completely contained within the body, so it's happy. I don't think I can ampersand select here, can I? Apparently not. All right, so we're minifying. I sometimes get spacing that lines up there, and sometimes don't. I think it has to do with whether or not I put a space on that, what is normally my first element, my HTML element. Wonder if it's that. Don't know. That's going to be good enough for now. 223 characters is not great, but it's not awful either. That's about 16 minutes. So, going to be done for now. See you tomorrow.